Hi everybody, it's Hey Jon. I jab opportunities nonstop. How y'all doing today? We're seeing some phenomenal news for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is rocking and rolling. I like what I see, and guess what? I see what I like. Hopefully you guys see the same things I see, because today is a phenomenal day, right? I don't think you can say anything else. Today is only one thing: phenomenal, man. Great. You know, love it, love it. Hopefully everyone's doing well today, because Dogecoin is definitely doing well. And if you don't think so, then I must say you have to check yourself. Yep. I'm glad everyone's doing well. So some folks are making a moolah, right? That's fantastic. That is phenomenal. Mendingo power. That's funny. That's funny. Is that Wild Wild West out there right now? That's true. We are all cyber Vikings. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. I mean, what else do you call this figure, right? What else do you call this? Beyond amazing. Let's see here. Man, why did it stop at 38? Good question. Very good question, you guys. Very good questions. Okay, cool. Spent that what? All right, ladies and gentlemen, can we get some likes here, please? Yeah, we get some likes, please, so we can see Dogecoin go to the moon. Okay, we're seeing a phenomenal day. So you know what? We need to see some likes right now. Okay. If Dogecoin is doing well, then you gotta smash our like button. Okay. I believe tomorrow is when Coinbase Pro lists right here, right? Dogecoin. So it's gonna be crazy, man. It's going to be crazy. Subject to property and agent availability. CIDRE number 0155930. And you have to wonder here, right? Coinbase was saying, you know what, 6 to 8 weeks here, right? Well, but all of a sudden, though, it's today, right? That's very, I would say that's very interesting to see. You have to wonder. You have to wonder why. Okay, let me see the Twitter account from Elon Musk here. Let's see what Elon Musk is saying here, right? Let's see, that's what I'm holding for. Base coin starts Thursday. Okay, fantastic. Let's see, what did Elon Musk say here, right? Okay, something about baby sharks. Here we go. Coinbase Pro has listed Dogecoin with trading expected to begin on Thursday, right? Let's see here. Wow, this is great. It's inevitable. It's inevitable. It's unavoidable. Absolutely. Let's see. What else do we see here? I think that's it here. So I think that's it. But you know what? That's all I need, man. That's all I need. Dogecoin to do a separation from Bitcoin, right? And we're seeing it happen right now. We're currently at about 37 cents right now. Well, 36.9, but I'll just say 37 cents for simplicity's sake. It's close enough here. Unstoppable. I couldn't agree more. I could not agree more. AMC something too. Let's see what AMC is doing here, right? Let's see here. AMC, right? AMC did phenomenal today, right? I covered this morning, right, with you guys this morning here, right? Around wait, it's today. Here you go. This morning in the morning here, right? It did phenomenal. Let's see. Let me give it a quick refresh here. There you go. Come on, WEBULL. There you go. Thank you. So that is amazing. AMC did crazy, right? We saw a pullback for AMC, and it continued going up here. It's currently about 32.12 here, right? But you can see the resistance. I was saying around 33.28 here, right? 33.23 for AMC. It tested it and it got rejected almost instantly. But still, this is fantastic. Okay, this is fantastic for AMC here. Hopefully, some of you guys in AMC took some profits today. I'm not saying take everything, but take some though. Okay, it's always prudent to take some profits. All right. Look at Bitcoin and AMC right here, right? I'm sorry. Look at Bitcoin and Dogecoin. We're seeing a divergence now. Bitcoin is in a low, and Dogecoin is going to the moon. This is fantastic. I like what I see, and I see what I like. Bye Bitcoin. Well, I mean, definitely gonna take a break from Bitcoin, that's for sure. But overall, though, man, oh man, this is fantastic, though. Honestly, what a great day. I saw that it's breaking away. He said, "I'm my own Doge." You guys are funny. All right, so let's go ahead and see what the chart is looking like now. Okay, let's go ahead and see what the chart is looking like. Look at that. Look at that fat thing right there. Look at that fat green candlestick. Okay, the trading range was from 30 cents or 38 all the way up to 39.8 here. You saw about you were seeing about a 9-cent spread here in one day. A 9-cent spread. That is huge. That is ginormous, and that is fantastic. It's all due to Coinbase listing. It's all due to Coinbase listing, you know, Dogecoin, or I'm sorry, Coinbase Pro. My apologies, but still, that is phenomenal. I love it. Love it. It's amazing, right? And we're seeing a nice spike here, and I don't know what to say, folks. Literally, we're seeing a nice spike. What else is there to say? It's amazing. I wish I could say anything else but that. It's only one thing amazing. Okay, so let's see that. Let's go and see. Let's go and go into the technicals and see what's going down. All right. So the 4-hour perspective here, right? Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention to you guys here. I forgot to mention, right? We were seeing a full moon mark here, right? A few days ago, all right? A full moon mark is usually indicative of a new bull run. And obviously, we didn't see a bull run for some time here, right? And I was telling you guys for some time here, we're going to see this nice little curling U here, this orange U. And guess what? Dogecoin is rising and it's following this orange U. So that's fantastic. Fantastic. I like what I see, and I see what I like, and I hope you guys also see that too. Bitcoin is positive. Dogecoin finally has news worthwhile, right? No more hype, just real factual news, and that's kind of why you're seeing Dogecoin do a nice rise here. By the way, does anyone know when Coinbase listed Bitcoin? Does anyone know? Let me see here. Let's see if we can find out. Okay, so June 3rd. Okay, June 3rd right here, right? You guys think? Okay, perfect. June 3rd was when Bitcoin listed Coinbase here, right? So let me go ahead and do some back testing here and go to June 3rd for Bitcoin and see how the chart was looking like, and see if we can use that as a potential gauge of what Coinbase Pro or Coinbase listing for Dogecoin and what impact we can possibly see here. So let me go ahead and go to June 3rd, okay? Thank you guys for telling me. I do appreciate that. I was gonna look it up, but obviously you guys know that's perfect. That's good enough for me. So let's see. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and go backwards, okay? All right. So right now I'm going to Bitcoin to June 3rd and see what's going down. All right. June 3rd. June 3rd, 2021. Where is it at? Wait. What year, by the way, June 3rd? What year? Was it 2020? Was it 2020 or what year was it? Let me see. Let's see. When was, let's see. Okay. Let's see. No. I'm talking about Bitcoin here. What day and year was Bitcoin listed on Coinbase? Because I want to do a back test and see how it looks. And for the life of me, I can't recall when it was listed. I know it was recent though. Let's see. Here we go, April 14. Okay, does anyone know what day and year Bitcoin is listed onto, okay, December 2017? Okay, that's good. Mary M, by any chance, do you know the date? The date exactly, like whatever, like maybe December 1st, 2nd, 3rd or something? My question at Domo Highland, I'm asking for Bitcoin, dummy. Okay. Holy cow. Homeboy has earwax in here. I said Bitcoin. I'm looking to do a back test comparison. Jeez Louise. My God. Annoying, man, that guy. So annoying. Let's see. Okay, December 12th. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Marianne. Appreciate that. December 2019 here. All right, 2017. All right, let me use a different platform here. Let's try Bitcoin on, let's see, Coinbase. Maybe that has more history. Fantastic. All right, so let's go 2017. Let's go weekly here, and monthly. Let's go backwards in time. All right, cool. Very cool. All right, around here. Cool. So let's go to daily now. I didn't work. Okay, that's a bummer. That's okay. I just had to do it manually. That's okay. I was hoping it would kind of zoom in for where it was and kind of leave me there, but apparently not. That's okay. All right, December 12th to 19 here. Fantastic. Okay. All right, so December 12th. Okay. So let's see here. So on December 12th to December 19th here, right? We saw a nice run up. Let's see how many days here. All right. So we saw a nice peak here. Okay. So it peaked. All right. On the 19th, it peaked there right here, right? And then we saw a new moon here. The moon phase is a new moon mark and it showed a bearishness afterwards. So I wonder if Dogecoin would see a similar action here, where when it gets listed, right, on the day of listing on December 19th here, right, we're gonna see a peak and then see a nice run back down here. I wonder if we will see a similar action. So let's see, December 12th. All right, so prior to the Coinbase news here, right, Bitcoin did a nice run up. Let's see from December 1st. So from here, let's go do a quick price appreciation to see the percentage. All right. Okay, so let's see. Bitcoin saw a 114% increase, and literally on December 1st to about December 19th, a 100% increase. I wonder if we could see a similar price appreciation. So what does that mean for Dogecoin? So I'm gonna write down here 114.83% here. Oops. So let me see if we can see a similar price action for Dogecoin, okay? And it took this lasts about 19 days here. So let's go and see what Dogecoin can potentially do in 19 days. Obviously, this is for reference. It's not a guarantee. I'm using Bitcoin as a back test to apply it to Dogecoin, where you see similar news and see what kind of analysis we can see here to see what the possible price is here. All right, and of course, I do want to emphasize this is not a guarantee of anything. I just want to do a back test to see what's going down here, okay? All right, let me go back forward now, back in time. Okay. So currently we're at, let's see, June 1st here, right? So let's say we do a 19-day run up, okay? So let's go and see what that looks like here. A 19-day run up at up to 114.83% here. Let's see what that could potentially look like.
Get more ways to save at the buy 5 or more, save $1 each sale. Just buy 5 or more
okay,
items and save.
This means we could possibly test around 66 cents there. And after that, we may see we may see it come all the way back down here. So let me drop for you guys real quick here, right? So this could be very interesting here. We could possibly see 66 cents in 19 days. And when that happens, we may see a pullback. But if that happens, though, right? If that happens, that could be a bad thing for Dogecoin, because that means we will not test a new higher high. That just means we will see a high close to the previous high. And if that happens, that can be a bearish sign. And you definitely don't want that to happen, because you want to see a new higher high. Because if you see a higher, a lower high, that means that if you see that happen, then, well, that means we're going to be on a long-term downtrend, potentially. Not a guarantee, but potentially. So let's just hope that we can see more price appreciation in the days to come. So again, this is going to be purely a projection using similar Dogecoin news to similar Bitcoin news to see what can potentially happen for Dogecoin. So, I mean, that is quite phenomenal. And I suspect when people get around there, they're definitely going to sell. I mean, why wouldn't you sell here, right? But for me, I'm a long-term investor. I don't care. To me, it's on noise. I'm still going to hold every single coin. But I do know tons of people will be selling though here. So yeah, this is gonna be crazy here. It's gonna be amazing and crazy good here. Man. But I have a question for you guys, and I have a question for everyone in the live stream. If you get around to 66 cents here, right? Are you gonna sell, or are you gonna hodl long term? Let me know in the chat. I'm kind of curious. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be hodling, but I wonder what you will do though. Okay, so I'm seeing some holders, some sellers, some people are gonna sell. Okay. 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 Okay, we've got some day traders here. Okay. All right. Ah. Okay, okay. So it seems like maybe 30% will sell and the other 10% will be holding us. That's cool. That's cool. I'm just curious to see what the consensus would be here. Ah, okay, very cool here. Very cool. Okay, okay. Some folks have smaller accounts. They may just, you know, day trade it. That's okay. That's okay. You can definitely take profits for sure. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just asking to get a consensus to try to understand what's your mentality, you know? Just curious. So we got some scalpers here. Okay, we got some scalpers. Okay, okay. You know, honestly, there is. I would say it's right now. Okay, I would say it's right out to you guys. If we get around to 66 cents here, right? I would say it's okay to take some profits, right? I'm not saying take everything. Maybe take 5%, take 10%, or whatever, you know. But purely up to you, though. But for me, I truly believe in Dogecoin. So for me, I'm holding on to everything. I do know that when it gets around there, it's gonna pull back. So it makes sense to sell, but at the same time, I don't want to deal with a tax man, and I don't want to deal with crazy taxes. So that's kind of permanent. So that's my other reason of why I don't want to sell anything also. So it's for tax purposes, and also because I believe in Dogecoin. So if I believe in it, why sell it here, right? I know where it's going here. It's only a matter of when and how patient I have to be here. That's cool though. Yeah, and don't forget, folks, if you're day trading, right, usually you gotta pay capital gains tax. What is it, 38% or 39%? I forget exactly. I forget the number exactly. But just things to be aware of, okay? So make sure if you do sell around 66, make sure that you remember, if you do sell at around 66 cents here, right, and currently for a year you're in profits here, make sure you set aside some moolah to make sure you have money for the tax man, because you don't want the IRS coming at you and you don't have the money to pay them, because, well, it's not going to be a good look for you. So I just want to make sure I emphasize that fact to you guys. If you do plan on selling there, make sure you guys, you know, are aware of it. So just make sure you guys know, that's all. There is no right or wrong here, but you know. Uptick Miami. Next time we get to highs, volume needs to come in. Hiring election at 74 cents. You said not a lot of volume here, and we tanked. Well, absolutely. You can definitely make fake charts, but you can never make fake volume. Okay, because volume means you're actually buying it, and there's no way you can fake volume. So that's the one indicator that is the most important indicator in the world. Okay, everyone pays taxes. Whales, little whales, shamus, little giraffes, little Simbas, you know, everyone pay taxes, you know, even Shiba Inu pay taxes too. So yeah, that could potentially happen, right? No guarantees, but again, I'm just using Bitcoin as a back tester to apply that to Dogecoin. Could it happen? Sure. Is it guaranteed? Absolutely not, okay? I want to make sure I said to you guys, because I don't want to mislead you guys and give you a false sense of hope. But I do suspect though, when the news gets out and it spreads more and more, I do believe we will rise more and more as well. The only question is how much though, okay? So the resistance at around 39.16 here, right? You can see we hit the resistance around 39.16 and we got rejected almost instantly. So even though we're seeing extremely bullish news here, right, we're still seeing resistance here. So this tells me that even though we're seeing phenomenal news here, please understand that the bulls are scared currently because we're still in a downtrend. And as you know, we've seen a, let me see, let's see here. We've seen a 51.37% haircut. And for folks who bought at 75 cents, for folks who bought 60 cents, 40 cents, etc. right here, right? These people remember the haircut they got recently and it didn't feel good. So that's kind of why they are hesitant to buy Dogecoin, even though we're seeing phenomenal news, okay? The other bulls here who bought high, they've been spanked, okay? They've been spanked very, very hard, and they didn't appreciate that, and they still remember the spanks here. You can still see the bruises on their behinds. So that's kind of why you're seeing that's why you are seeing incredible bullish news here, but yet you aren't seeing a nice rise up, okay? That's kind of why I want to make sure I get that point through. That's kind of why I said about 2 or 3 times here. And ladies and gentlemen, can you do me a huge favor? ladies and gentlemen, can you do me a huge favor here? Okay? A huge favor, if you don't mind, if you can please hit that like button. If you enjoy this content and if you like what I'm doing here, because when you do that, you'll be supporting my channel here. And please make sure you subscribe as well. And please make sure you subscribe as well, because I do live streams daily on AMC, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, GME, etc. here. So please support my channel by hitting the like button. That's all I ask. And I think it's phenomenal if you can give me some love and some support. Thank you so much. And I hope that YouTube will share this video with more people, so we get more people educated on the charts here, so they don't just blindly believe news, and they make sure to get all of the different perspectives. All right, so let's dive deeper now and go into the charts now. Let's see what it looks like from a more a more focused perspective here. Okay. All right. Fantastic. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time from now, right? And see what the 4-hour is showing us right now. Okay, the 4-hour perspective here, right? Well, as you can see on the 4-hour here, right? We tested the Agora ribbon here, right? The Agora ribbon or reaction ribbon here. Well, the Agora reaction ribbon is downtrending still, and it's still purple. Purple means bearishness here, right? So we hit that and we got rejected off it, and now we're kind of pulling back here. I mean, that shouldn't be surprised though, because the reason why is we are still in a downtrend, right? Even though I want to see Doge, even though I want to see Dogecoin go to the moon, we're still on a downtrend, and the bulls are still fearful. So don't forget, buying begets buying, and selling begets selling here. So we're still seeing some fear, but now we're seeing some hope now. Before we were at capitulation, and now we're seeing a glimmer of hope. As this hope turns into optimism, you're gonna see more and more price appreciation to the upside, and you're gonna see smaller and smaller pullbacks. This will take time to happen, folks. Okay, the news needs to circulate and percolate, and of course that takes time. As you know, people are still at work or they're having dinner with their families yet, so the news hasn't got into your brain yet. I'm not saying you, but I'm saying other folks. So when they watch this video, they're gonna see that. When they watch other videos, and other news syndications, when the news percolates, it will circulate into their brains, and they will see it. Oh, ding! Great news. Let me buy some. So this is gonna be very, very good here. So the 4-hour, we're seeing a little pullback here right now, right? So anywhere from 36.9 up to about 38.5 is a resistance and a pullback here. All right, around 39.13 is gonna be your resistance. We got close to there, but we got rejected because of the Agora reaction ribbon here. So basically, what does this mean here? This means that Dogecoin needs to break above here. Okay. I'm sorry, let me draw it again here for you guys, okay? Dogecoin needs to consolidate in this, let me see. Where is it at? This rectangular box thingy at, let me draw for you guys. Here it is. Perfect. All right. So Dogecoin needs to come into this pink box and consolidate there, okay? So it's gonna take another, let's see, another 10%. Well, you know what, I would say another 11% before we can get into that pink box. So if that can happen, that could be a very good thing for Dogecoin. But I think it's gonna be a big task, but don't worry, I think we're up for it here, because we want to make sure we spank that pink box.
Every month. Single people could have comprehensive coverage for $1 a month, and a family of 4 could pay less than $100 a month. To see your new
let's see here. So let me go into the chat now and see what you guys are saying here, so I can read your comments and, you know, respond to you guys, because you know, it keeps it more interactive, and that's fun right here, right? So give me a second. Let me start reading the chat here. and see what you guys are saying here to kind of get some feedback. All right, see here. John, let's say you bought at 42 cents and sell everything at 43, but you put everything back in. Would you still have to pay taxes? Yeah, pretty much. You pay taxes on your profit, right? So basically, if you buy it for $1 here, right? Say you buy, so for simplicity's sake, say you buy $1 worth of Dogecoin right here, right? And now you are in profit of $1.50 in Dogecoin, and you sell your Dogecoin for $1.50. This means that you only pay taxes on the 50 cents you made. The $1 principal does not count. Okay. So just to make sure I you know, throw that tidbit. But of course, if you are concerned or anything, your best bet is to consult your local CPA that does your taxes. If you do yourself, then you should still consult a CPA. So they give you the rundown to make sure you are not, you know, cheating the government here, because you don't want to deal with the IRS. It is no bueno. So make sure you pay your taxes, because you definitely don't want to knock, or an email in this case, from the IRS, man. Let's see here. What's your opinion on trading bots? Well, if you have a very good algorithm, right? Sure, why not? But I honestly don't really believe in trading bots. I mean, if you're a whale and you have a big account, it doesn't really matter. But if you're more of a retail trader, I don't really think you need a trading bot, because you don't have them, because honestly you don't have that much money, and it's gonna be a nightmare, you know, because honestly the trading bot may cost more than your account sometimes. So well, unless you program it yourself here, right? But of course, if you are programming yourself and you're a programmer, and you probably make lots of money anyways, so it probably doesn't matter as much anyway. So just want to throw out that tidbit there. Okay, fantastic. Let's see what else is going on here. People get scared to pay taxes. It's only fair to pay taxes when you're making money. Well, I don't want to say people are afraid of paying taxes. You know, it's more about, I don't want to pay taxes because, you know, I want to keep all my profits. But unfortunately, that isn't the way life works, unfortunately. All right, let's go ahead and go into the 1 hour perspective here and see what's going down. Let's go even more narrow here and see what the 1 hour is doing here. All right, so in the 1 hour here, we're seeing a nice little pullback here. All right, let's see here. It's very bullish right now. It is very bullish here, because on the 1 hour perspective here, right? On the 1 hour perspective here, we're seeing a nice curve up here, or, well, a beginning of a curl up. And usually when you see the Agora ribbon curling up when it's green, that means we're bullish here. And the more we go up here, the more bullish it gets. So the more the green reaction ribbon curls up, the more phenomenal this can be. I like what I see, and I see what I like, man. I like that. And of course, this is just the beginning of the uptrend. I suspect in the days to come, we're gonna see a very, very nice run up. And don't forget, it took 19 days from December 1st to December 19th, okay, to see the 115% increase in Bitcoin. I did a backtest and applied it to Dogecoin, and again, if that happens, we can see a possible 66 cents for Dogecoin. Oh man, if that happens, Dogecoin is going to do phenomenal, but I know there'll be tons of folks taking profits, and that's okay, as you should. And make sure you guys know that we are just getting started here. If you buy right now, in my opinion, in the days to come here, you will still be green. So one of those things here, as you know, buying begets buying, and the more green days we see here, right? and when we get a confirmation of a bullish trend here, you're gonna see tons of people come in and buy. A random hero, hey, thank you for the sticker. It's very cute. I love your little I love your little sticker, dog. It's very, very cute. Thank you for that. Appreciate it 100%. Let's see here. So on the 1 hour, we're pulling back right now. Let's see the 50, but of course we are curling up though, so that's fantastic right here, right? The 1 hour perspective is finally showing us the bullishness here. I like what I see, man. This is fantastic here. All right, the 50-minute time frame. We're also seeing the Agora reaction ribbon curl up and turn green here. This is fantastic. Oh man, I love it. I love it. I love it, man. This is fantastic, dude. Honestly. Woo. Holy cow. Let's go into the one. Let's go ahead and go into the 1 minute perspective here to see what's going on here. What's oops? The 1 minute here. Let's do the 1 minute here. Okay. Let's do the 1 minute to get the play by play to see what is going down with Dogecoin. Let's see. What are you guys saying now? Do they tax you if you sell and transfer back to your bank or just based off of sales on platform? Anyone in a chat, por favor? It doesn't matter, man. If you sell, you make profits, you have to pay taxes, period. And with cryptocurrencies, make sure you keep a log of it, okay? Make sure you keep a log. Hey John deserves more likes for the new camera. Yes, people, please like this video and please subscribe if you're new. I cover Dogecoin, I cover all the meme stuff here. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, AMC, GME, whatever, I cover anything. But of course, Dogecoin is my first love for cryptocurrency, and that will never change. I will always cover Dogecoin. What's AMC going to peak at? That's a good question for AMC. Well, honestly, for AMC, I believe they're currently at let me see, I forgot already. Let me pull up real quick here. Let me pull up AMC real quick here. AMC. Let me see. All right. So AMC, the resistance will be around 32.67 and 35.53. So currently, well, yesterday here, right, on May, where is that? Sorry, not yesterday. Let me see here. So on May 28th here, right, we saw the all-time high at 36.72, right? And it broke the previous all-time high 5 years ago at around 36.13. So we've seen a new all-time high at around 36.72 here from 36.12 about 5 years ago, well, 7 years ago. So with AMC here, it could go higher, but I am seeing lots of reasons here to take profits right now. You know what I mean? I'm not going to take everything, but make sure you guys are taking some profits if you're in AMC, because you don't want to be too greedy here, right? The reason why is because today for AMC, even though I was calling it bullish on Saturday and Sunday, the way the chart was looking here, right? And it was bullish because we started higher, we opened higher. I'm sorry, we opened higher and we closed even higher. So AMC is doing phenomenal right now. But the thing is though, you should be, if you're a prudent trader here, right? You usually sell into strength, okay? All right, please understand, you sell into strength. What that means is maybe you take 10% here, 5% there, etc. I don't give you guys financial advice. It's purely my opinion of what I do, of what I would do. So when you see that happen right there, right? When you sell the strength here, right? So say for the past 2 days you've been selling to strength. You've taken 20% of your profits currently, and you still have 80% in the game here. And you set a stop loss. right? If it triggers, you still walk away with an immense amount of profits here. And even if it continues going up, you should have no FOMO. You should have no, well, you shouldn't be upset anyways, in my opinion here, because you're making insane profits right now. If you get too greedy here, you could potentially lose it all. So make sure you guys don't get too greedy, okay? I understand greed is good, but being too greedy is just silly. Okay, let's see here. YOLO. I mean, honestly, you can YOLO if you want, but I definitely wouldn't be YOLOing though. I don't think that's a good idea in my opinion, you know? I mean, YOLO is never a good idea, but I mean, all right, let's go with the Dogecoin now. Let's see here. Let's go with the Dogecoin now. Okay, folks, this is great. Let's see, 1 hour time frame. We're seeing a pullback. No problem. Let's go into let's go into the 1 minute perspective here and see what's going down here. AMC is a beast here, right? You are absolutely a beast. AMC is a beast right now because it is reaching yearly all-time highs here. I mean, yeah, it could potentially go up even more, but all I gotta say is you don't want to be too stubborn. You don't want to be too stubborn here, okay? And even if AMC could, so say for example here, right? The past 2 days you've been taking profits on AMC. You've taken 20% profits, right? And tomorrow AMC goes up even higher. Guess what? You take another 10% off the table and you set a stop loss somewhere a little higher, right? And if it pulls back and triggers, fine. You take your profits and you walk away, no problem here, right? So the whole point here is that you protect yourself and you guarantee you walk away with profits here, okay? You may see a higher short squeeze. Absolutely, it could happen here. It could absolutely happen. But it's more important and more prudent for a trader, okay? I've been trading for a long time here, okay? And let me tell you real quick, all right? I've been trading for a long time here, and let me tell you the most important thing for any trader is to preserve capital. That is the hardest thing to do. That is the hardest thing for most people to do if you're trading stocks or cryptocurrency or anything. Preserving capital is of the utmost importance. If you don't do that, well, you will definitely be sinking down. I mean, of course, I understand folks want to go all in and they want to make $1 million. That's okay. That's okay. You could definitely YOLO and you could definitely do that, but I'm just gonna say, be careful.
Then in 8,449 miles, slight right to Aussie fries with horseradish aioli, grilled jalapenos and onions. Or head straight to your neighborhood.
What does a call mean in stock terms? A call is basically an option saying in the future, I believe this stock is gonna go up, right? But with an option here, right? With an option there, it's basically black and white. If you do not hit the target, you lose the whole call option there. So it's literally gambling. It's like roulette, pretty much. That's kind of why I don't encourage folks to do option trading, because it's very, very risky, and you're pretty much saying I have a crystal ball and I can predict the future, right? I have a crystal ball and I can predict the future to see where it's going. I mean, if you want to do that, sure, right? Usually for call options, it is used for insurance purposes. It isn't really used as a vehicle to trade, but I do know folks do that and they make tons of money and they lose tons of money here. Let's see here. So of course these are questions here, right? And these are all valid questions, so nothing wrong with that. All valid questions here. Every question is good. We all start somewhere, you know. Oh, nice. Nice. So London Brown here making significant gains on his call option. That's for sure. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yep. Coinbase soon. Thursday. Very, very soon. All right, let's see. So on the 1 minute perspective here, we're seeing a possible pullback right now. We're seeing a possible pullback. We're seeing a purple reaction ribbon here from Agora. By the way, if anyone's curious what this trading platform, is, well, it is Agora dashboard. All right, Agora, link down below in the description. 7-day free trial and a 20% discount if you use my promotional code. All right, downstairs, link down below in the description here. It gives you the support and resistance, and of course, if you trade stocks, this is very useful for you. If you day trade stocks, if you're looking for a swing trade or investing or whatever, you know, Agora platform is a very good platform to use. You can use it with TradingView, and you do not have to upgrade it. You can just use it as is, and it gives you all the indicators you need. So it's very cool. Alrighty then, let's see here. We're still pulling back. No problem though. And of course, if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe and like so you can support my channel. I do appreciate it very, very much here. Where's the bottom for Dogecoin? Well, the temporary support is around 356 right there. Temporary support is 356 on the 1 minute perspective, of course. Yep. Okay, so let's see what is AMC and GME doing here, right? So GME had a pretty good day. Let's see here. It dipped down to about 221.50, and the day high was around 237.01. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Obviously GME didn't fill the gap here, so just something to watch out for. Okay, I'm pretty sure GME will fill the gap eventually, and as you know, all gaps get filled. It's only a matter of when. It's only a matter of when it fills the gap here. So usually I don't like gaps. I hate gap up. I hate gap ups and I hate gap downs. But obviously with the stock market, it's not trading 24/7, so there'll always be gaps. Just make sure you're aware of it, okay? And for AMC here, right? For AMC, there's a gap also. The gap is at around 26.12 here. So eventually AMC will fill the gap at 26.12. It's only a matter of when. Could be tomorrow. Sorry, it could be tomorrow, the following week, next week, etc. here. But I will say one thing, okay? I will say one thing right now. For AMC today, the chart isn't looking as bullish, okay? For AMC, the chart isn't looking as bullish here on the 1 hour time frame because it's forming a sort of a hill. And usually when I see hills, that is not a bullish sign, that's a bearish sign. But as you know, tomorrow we can see some bullish news on AMC, and we can see another gap up in the pre-market. Martin Lopez, what's the best crypto broker? Well, and Martin Lopez, I personally prefer crypto.com. The reason why I like crypto.com is because they have staking options. So what that means is you can put your coins and stake it and get interest off of it. And of course with crypto.com you can also move the coins off to your own personal wallet, so it's quite useful and quite helpful. So for me, I like crypto.com and I like WEBULL as well. And in my opinion, having those two is perfect. Of course, if you want to try out BlockFi, you can put your Bitcoin and pretty much get interest off of it, okay? So BlockFi is where you can get interest off your Bitcoins, and I believe 5%. So if you want to try out BlockFi or Crypto.com or WEBULL, link down below in the description. I think BlockFi with BlockFi you get up to 250 bucks, so it's quite cool. Let's see here. Okay, so all right, so AMC, you guys talking about after hours. Okay, I mean, yeah, we can do after hours too, but usually with after hours it's kind of sketchy because it's low volume trades, you know. I don't really care for low volume trades. Let's see here. All right, well, all right. Well, AMC is definitely doing very bullish here. I mean, holy cow. Fantastic, that's for sure. After hours is moving up, but you know, I usually say with after hours, I kind of take it with a grain of salt in my opinion. But you know, one of those things though. All right, so let's see. AMC, let's see here. 35.53 is the resistance, and on the, let's see, on the 15-minute here, right? We're currently at 3704. So this means that when you see after our trades for AMC, in my opinion here, you're seeing people FOMO into it. So I still think that tomorrow pre-market, AMC could potentially sink as well. I mean, with pre-market and after hours, it could potentially sink or go up very high because of the low volume and low liquidity. So, I mean, if you want to do it, just be careful, folks. Just be careful. That's all I'm saying. Let's see. Well, obviously, you guys can do whatever you want. You can hold long term. You can you know, you can do whatever you like. But I'm just sharing with you guys. I'm just sharing with all you my opinions here. AMC not gonna sink in my opinion. Okay, sure. I believe that. I think it's possible for it to happen. Yep. I think it's quite possible for it to happen. Absolutely. Oh, awesome. Hey, man. Thank you, DBD Jason. You appreciate me? Thank you, bro. I appreciate you too. Thank you for sharing thank you for sharing the nice words here. I do appreciate that. Oh, okay. We go to the moon. Nice. Okay, so let's go back to Dogecoin now. Let's go to Dogecoin. Let's go to Dogecoin. Sure, yeah. Sure. That's true. When folks get vaccinated, you know, yeah. DJ Lord says, as folks get vaccinated, they will be going to the movie theaters this summer. AMC will continue to rise. Sure, yeah. That's true. That could happen there. Just don't forget also, today AMC has issued out about, I think AMC issued out 8.3 million shares today. So they were, AMC is definitely raising money, right? They're raising money so they can, so they can pay down, so they can pay down their debt. And as you know, when more shares hit the market, you know, then, well, you're seeing a higher float. So just things to watch out for. The biggest movie coming out this summer to AMC and Cinemark will be Space Jam 2 starring LeBron James. The stock will go to the roof. What? Okay, first of all, LeBron James is not the... Oh, come on now. LBJ, come on now. Nobody can top the GOAT. The GOAT is Michael Jordan. We all know that. LBJ is nowhere near the GOAT. Oh, man. Oh, man. Michael Jordan right now. Turning this... Michael Jordan is so... Oh, my God. What a disservice to Michael Jordan right there. What a disservice to Michael Jordan. Mary M says, as soon as the lights go out at the movies, I fall asleep. Honestly, going to movie theaters is pretty boring in my opinion. I don't really enjoy it, so I'd rather stay home. I'd rather stay home and watch my own TV. But you know.
Coverage for $1 a month, and a family of 4 could pay less than $100 a month. See your new lower
And plus, you know, usually movie theater is not really I don't know. To me, it's not very comfy either.
Covered California, this way to health insurance.
Sure, yeah. Sure thing, DJ Lord Buck. Absolutely. That could definitely happen for sure. Yeah, I feel the same way about watching movie theaters, you know? I watch YouTube a little bit, some Netflix here and there. Maybe Hulu as well, but I don't really watch too much movies in a movie theater anymore. Not my thing. MJ is absolutely the GOAT. Michael Jordan is the GOAT for sure. Love me Michael Jordan, man. He is a true GOAT. I just wish I got to meet Michael Jordan one day, you know? The guy's a legend. The guy, Michael Jordan's a legend because yes, he's extremely talented, but the man also works extremely hard. That is why no one could ever beat him. Because he works so hard and he's so naturally talented. I mean, my God. I would say that is almost unfair. Let's see. Glitchy says, bro, check out the website and chart for Glitchy at Glitchy BSC. I'll look at a chart. Not sure what Glitchy is though, but I will look at a chart for you though. Is that a stock or something? I'm assuming. I don't even see it here. I mean, create a website and chart for glitchy. Okay, I put in glitchy here, right? But I think it's coming up though. Glitch tether. I'm assuming this is it here, right? Glitch. Okay. So you can trade a tether, or you can do with Uniswap or Ethereum. Okay, let's go Uniswap then. Wow, that's very blocky. All right, so it looks like it's been around since January of 2021. Maybe 5-6 months here. All right. Let's see what's going on here on the daily. Oh, okay, that's not good. All right, there you go. Whoop. Okay, so hey, glitchy, this is here, right? Glitch or here. This is glitchy here, right? Glitch, rough ether. Well then give me the actual name, right? Give me the actual name, or at glitchy, give me the actual name, whatever it is. I don't know. There's so many tokens out here, always new ones, you know. So give me the actual token name of it, like whatever it's called, you know. I'll look for it. Kendo Morgan says, I probably watched Space Jam 50 times growing up. I can't imagine anyone else coming close to comparing to MJ in that role. I couldn't agree more, man. I couldn't agree more. All right, let's see. Pancake swap, okay. All right, I don't. Let's see here. Let's try CoinGecko. Let's try on CoinGecko here. Let's see. Glitchy. It's not. Wait, it's not on CoinGecko. What the heck? All right, I don't know, Glitchy. You have to give me the actual token name, man. I can't find it anywhere. I mean, what is this? What is this, man? Okay. The heck? Yeah. I did copy it on browser. I mean, this is crazy, man. This is craziness. Let's see, Instagram. Wow. This was definitely annoying, man. Looking for this dumb coin. Oh, geez Louise, you guys. All right. Glitchy looks bullish, but it's only been here for like 1 day. I mean, or May 19th, so maybe like what, like 15 days or whatever's. So starting to see a nice run up here. But that's kind of how it is. But that's kind of how it is with all these tokens coming out, like SafeMoon, etc. Right? You know, it's all about who gets in first in the beginning here, right? And you go, hey bro, buy it, hey bro, buy it, hey bro, buy it, hey bro, buy it, and then everyone kind of buys it, but you bought it here, and it kind of rises up, and then you kind of sell here. I mean, that's cool, man. That's cool, I guess. You want to do that kind of stuff. That's cool. Let's see. Let's see. That's cool, man. If you want to buy it, by all means, go ahead and buy it. For me, I'm just not into it though. So for me, I'm not into it. Always a new project, always a new fantasy. So for me, I'm gonna stay away. That's just me though. Let's see what's going down. All right. We're seeing a little triangle happen here, a little descending triangle happen here. Let's see here. Seeing a little descending triangle. This could be a bullish sign. Bullish sign for Dogecoin. Okay, I like it. I like what I see so far. What? Let's see. Anytime you buy, that's true. That's true. I couldn't agree more with that one right there. Anytime you buy Doge under $1, you're good. Anytime you buy MC on $100, you're good. Anytime you buy a Gmi under 500, you're good. If you could only learn to hold at least 7 years. Whoa, okay. I mean, that's a pretty tall order here. Most folks want to get rich overnight, so I don't know about 7 years, man. But all right, could happen though. Could happen. By the way, that is DJ Lord Bug, not me. I just read out loud. ELON OneCoin. Isn't that the coin yesterday from that guy who was being all annoying about it yesterday? What's his name? I forgot his name already. 7 years, I will be clicking SS. That's funny. That's awesome, man. Mary M gonna be living that good life. Gonna be living that good life. AMC's easy, just hold to the moon. I mean, I guess so. Hyperactive Rex. Elon Musk just posted new coin baby shark token. Okay. Not too sure what that is, but let's go and see though. What did Elon Musk tweet out here, right? Let's see. Elon Musk. I don't see it anywhere. Maybe to reply, maybe? Reply, possibly? Let's see. Baby Shark token. Rex, I don't see it anywhere. Where's the Baby Shark token at? I don't see it. I don't know, man. But go, if you want to show it, just tweet it to me, okay? At Hyperactive Rex. Tag me and tweet me that token, all right? All right, Hyperactive Rex. All right, Hyperactive Rex. If you want to see it, if you want me to see that tweet and show everybody, go ahead and get Elon Musk tweet and tag me onto it, and it will be in my notification, and I can show everybody. So I don't know, man. Let's see here. Folks, give me a quick second here, okay? Give me a quick second. I need to go to the restroom real quick. I'll be right back, all right?
Calculating route. To try Wiener Schnitzel's chili cheese fries from around the world. Start in Texas with bold fries topped with grilled onions and barbecue sauce. Go 1,464 miles to zesty Cabo fries with cheese sauce and spicy jalapenos. Then, in 8,449 miles, slide right to Aussie fries with horseradish aioli, grilled jalapenos, and onions. Or head straight to your neighborhood Wiener Schnitzel for chili cheese fries from around the world. Recalculating.
Okay. Thank you for waiting. Just had to go restroom real quick. Awesomeness. All right. Again, if you want to share me a tweet, okay, make sure you tag me in the tweet, okay? For me to look for it is insane because there are so many tweets. So, all right. Again, I will say it one more time, and leave it at that. Let's see here. Let's see. What are you guys saying? Okay. Oh, okay. Where Dogecoin is breaking down below support around 35.6 right there. Okay, that's interesting right there to see. Okay. Let's see if we can take it back. Let's see if we can take it back. Let's see. Did I ever sell my sheep? Nope, I didn't sell my sheep at all. Nope, I still have all my sheeps. They're staked. I'm making more sheep coins. I bought so many dips I can't afford to buy anymore. That's funny. That's funny. Let's see, AMC up $2%. Let's take it to the Evo hedge fund managers. Sure, absolutely. It's rumored that Citadel sold $2 billion in assets to try to cover the coming AMC squeeze. That's funny. Oh yeah, nice. All right, mana. Okay, let's see what mana is. Let's see what mana is here. Mana. Let's see, what is this thing here? Mana. Let's see. All right, it came out 3 years ago. Fairly new. Seeing some new all-time highs. Saw a nice haircut. Let's see, it pulled back maybe about 73% or 74%. It pulled back. Now we're currently at about a 51% haircut. Okay. Let's see. The daily, let's see, around, okay. I'm seeing a nice day support at around 80 cents. 80 cents is a pretty strong support for mana here, so hopefully it'll bounce off of 80 cents. If not, it'll turn the support into a resistance. And if you're a mana, you definitely want to see that. I see in mana currently, I'm seeing a hill. Okay, I'm seeing a hill. Usually hills aren't very bullish, they're actually bearish in nature, so mana could be pulling down some more. However, though, I'm seeing a nice moon here, and I'm starting to see the beginning of a U possibly. So this could be a potential short-term bull run here, and it could potentially break a long-term hill here. So this could be very good for mana here. So definitely interesting to see. Could be a very good thing here, but definitely have to wait and watch though for sure. Alrighty then. You still think this is going to pay AMC Jimmy to the moon? I think it'll pay for sure. AMC is definitely more bullish than GME, that's for sure. In this morning's market open here, right? GME was actually showing more bullish tenacity than AMC, so it's quite. I would say it's quite interesting. It was quite interesting to see. It was quite interesting to see how GME start to lose its bullishness, at the end of the day, and AMC continue to rise. So, in my opinion, AMC is way more bullish than GME currently, and I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure AMC is also trending more than GME as well. Huh? AMC peaked at 47. It's kind of coming down some. Okay. Peaked around 100 on January 24th. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. Let's see GME. Let's see where that is right there, right? For a search term here. Oh yeah, GME is way lower. Genie definitely doesn't have as much interest as AMC for sure. So that means why AMC is showing some more bullishness, because there's more interest, there's more FOMO, there's more knowledge, there's more eyeballs watching it. Scott Martin, what's the next support on Doge? Let me see. I don't recall. Let me see real quick though. Support for Dogecoin will be around 33 cents. 33 cents. And let's see, what's the next support here? Let's see. Okay. So yeah, around 33.40, 33.4 is gonna be the next support. And then after that, it'll be about 34.69. Yep. Those two are gonna be your next supports there, so. Oh, well, by the way, let me go and see the blockchain here. Let's go to the blockchain real quick, into the blockchain. Let's see what is going down into the blockchain. I forgot to cover this also. Let me check real quick. Of course, this got into the blockchain here, right? This is data I pay for to get to you guys for free. So this is basically data aggregated to so you can see into the blockchain here, okay? I pay for it for you guys, so hopefully you guys can give me a quick like and a quick subscribe if you appreciate this kind of content. Let's see here. Oops. Let me refresh it real quick. I don't think it's refreshing. That's probably why. There you go. Much better here. Okay. Fantastic. Okay. So. All right. Let's see some supports here. Okay. So around 32.8 up to about 33.8, about a 1 cent spread, right? Just about 4.4 billion Dogecoin. So to me, that's a pretty good place for a bounce, for support there, right? And it kind of coincides with the support around here. I was telling let's see, around what did I say before, 30 cents. 1 second. Yes. So I was saying around 30 cents is going to be a strong support, and it's being supported by the blockchain data here, right? So from 32.8 to about 33.8 is going to be a strong support based on the number of coins there. Let's see here. Oops. Blockchain data. All right. Okay, the next resistance will be about 357 up to about 367 here. About a 1 cent spread, because there's about 1.3 billion Dogecoin. So 357 to 367 here. Let's see. Yep, I would say that's a pretty good support. Yep, around 36.3, 36.5. I'm sorry, 36.5 is gonna be a next resistance. So definitely looking interesting right there. Definitely things to watch out for sure. Let's see. Jake says, hey, "What's up, Hey Jon? Thanks for keeping us in the know on the good, bad, and ugly. And now don't forget, people, hit that ravishing like button. Fantastic. I would love that. Let's see here. Dollar has no cap, Blake. It's true. It's true. Let's see here. I've heard it all before. I'm in both, but mostly AMC. That's cool. That's cool.
When you fly again, fly for what truly matters.
I'm just using AMC to fund more Doge.
To get you there.
Yeah, I suspect that when people are done with AMC, they'll come out with Dogecoin and support the meme coin again. So I personally believe that, and I think it'll happen. Only question is, how long will the AMC run last here, right? How long will it last? Nobody knows. We definitely have to watch though, for sure. Yeah. Oh, by the way, where is it at? By the way, this is quite interesting actually. Dogecoin, right? Dogecoin, the only coin, well, I would say Dogecoin is the only coin doing this, showing a nice green candlestick and vertical movement up. Everything else is red or just kind of doing a low. So Dogecoin is definitely benefiting from the Coinbase Pro news here. So, but I do suspect what happens when it wears out though, right? So just things to be aware of. We always have news cycles. What? You guys are funny. All right, see what is Dogecoin doing right now, right? Let's see. Oh, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, I will be covering AMC and GME tomorrow morning as well, with Bitcoin and Bitcoin and Dogecoin as well. I think I will be making more and more morning market open videos here for you guys to cover AMC, GME, and whatever stock that is going crazy that day, because it is quite. I do kind of miss it actually. After doing it today, I kind of miss it, so I think I will continue doing that. Richie Ann says, "Hey Jon, let me ask you what's going on with the market. Why is it going up? Are you referring to the stock market or cryptocurrencies? I mean, I don't know. What are you referring to?" Yeah, hey, what's up, Wendy? Haven't seen you some time. Wendy, I hope you had a very, very good Memorial Day weekend. Rouse says, every time Coinbase introduces something, it's disappointing. Drop in value within 1 day, same day usually. It tanks and crashes. I call it Coinbase letdown. I call it Coinbase letdown. Funny. Oh man, it's funny. I said, Wendy, I hope you had a fantastic Memorial Day weekend. Oh, you have been? Oh, okay. I guess you've been quiet. I haven't seen you, so I'm like, oh, okay. That's cool. Let's see. Coinbase coin died the same day it was listed. That's probably true. How long should I hold Doge? I bought 32 cents. Well, that is a personal opinion, a personal question there. It's up to you, Just Aussie. Depends on you. You should ask yourself, Just Aussie, you need to ask yourself a question. Do you believe in Dogecoin? Yes or no? If it's yes, why do you believe in Dogecoin? Make a pros and cons list. All right? If the pros outweigh the cons, then hold on to it. If the cons outweigh the pros, sell it, right? Up to you, buddy. There's no wrong or right. There is no wrong or right answer. It is all a personal decision. Wendy says, I'm visiting Cali next week. Fantastic. Fantastic. Where are you coming from? Well, actually, where are you going, California? Where are you going? LA, San Francisco, NorCal, SoCal? Don't say Bakersfield, because nobody wants to go Bakersfield. It is the worst place to go. San Diego. Let's see. Just Aussie said, if I lose the money, I mean, it don't matter. Okay. All right, Just Aussie. I'm not too sure how to answer you, but again, pros and cons list, and you can make your own decision here. Let's see. I don't want to sell. You lose your coins. I want to be able to spend them like money when Doge is accepted worldwide. Let's see. Aussie says I'm like 15, so I'm only losing 300, which was just money I didn't care about losing because I knew about the risk. What? Just Aussie is 15. Wait. Just Aussie is 15 years old and he's already investing. My God. My God, this kid is gonna be so successful in real life, man. Oh my God, I'm jealous. Wendy says San Diego, OC, LA, and the Bay Area. Whoa, Wendy, are you doing a road trip? It sounds like a road trip. Are you gonna? Oh, Wendy, if you're doing a road trip in California, please make sure you go up through the 1 PCH. It is a ton of fun. It is a beautiful scenery. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. I love it. You will enjoy it. There'll be like lighthouses. Fantastic here. Jacob says, I agree, Bakersfield sucks. My dad is buried out there and I don't know why that side of the family chooses it as their burial ground. Well, Jacob, it's probably cheaper, that's why. I'm pretty sure it's cheaper, so. I'm sorry, a lot cheaper. Hey, the Patriot's back here. The Patriot, bend me over and spank me like a clown. Doge is up. The Patriot, your wish is my command, bro. You got it. Oh, okay. I've done the one before and it was stunning, but this time I'm flying LAX at the phone. Okay, yeah, that's what, maybe a 2 hour, no. I think a 2 hour flight here, right? Yeah, a 2 hour flight. Hopefully when you're flying, Wendy, hopefully you're flying to a small airport like Burbank Airport or like Rancho Cucamonga, oh no, I'm sorry, or Ontario. If you go through LAX, you might have to go through a lot of traffic here. All right, so that's a trick in California. If you're flying, right, go to a smaller local airport like Burbank, or Ontario, depending on where you're from, or even San Bernardino. So you will save tons of time when you go there, right? Say you fly from SF to Burbank or whatever. You go in there and there's literally no check-in. You walk in, you walk out. There's no like baggage claim. Well, I mean, there is baggage claim, but there's no actual check-in stuff. So you save a ton of time if you're on vacation. But sometimes it may be a little bit more expensive though. I forget how much, but yeah. I love Cali so much and really excited to get back. Fantastic. California is the best state in the world. I love California. Love California, man. Love this place. Only problem is with California is that everything is so dang expensive. That's the only problem, is it? But beyond that, California is a place to be. Whoa, work trip. That's pretty cool. Work trip is cool, that's for sure. Man, I miss the work trips actually. Work trips were very fun back then, and then back in the day before the pandemic, it was a lot of fun. What? I don't get it. Jay Trevlin says, Oscar, only a matter of time, Mattress Mac will be accepting Doge. What does that mean? Oh, Long Beach, yes. Long Beach also has a local airport. But Burbank and Ontario are the kind of big ones though. So just, I mean, just depends on where you're flying, I guess. I think John Wayne also, right? John Wayne in Orange County? Wait. I don't think it's John Wayne anymore. I think John Wayne had, well, I think the Orange County Airport needed to get renamed to something else due to some kind of like naming. I forgot what it's called, but yeah. Okay, Dogecoin is bouncing. Let's see if we can tap that Agora reaction ribbon at around 363. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's do this thing. Mattress Mac has the biggest furniture store in Houston. Okay, gotcha. Didn't know that. What's up, Oscar? How you doing, buddy? Do it wild. Any community is falling apart when profits will not be made. Truth is sharp. That's true. That's very true, right? Very, very true. But luckily for me, I love Dogecoin too much to leave it. I always forget, what is the difference between Gen X or Millennial? I forget. What's the year difference? I always forget, you know? What is the year for Gen X and Millennial? You know what? Yeah. Fortune Quest Ventures, let me know. What is the year difference for Gen X and Millennial? Like, what year to what year? People always have different numbers, and it's like, okay. I wonder what's the official one. I'm pretty sure I'm a Gen X is cut off for 1980. So after 1980, you're a millennial, is that right? Okay, yeah. Then I am a millennial, that's for sure. I am a millennial. Pew Research has official one now. What's Pew Research? Pew Research. Like pew pew pew. Laser guns? What do you mean by pew?
Calculating route. To try Wiener Schnitzel
1966. Is that a boomer? No, right?
in Texas with bold fries
I don't know. Maybe 66. Maybe Maybe 1966 is a boomer. Not too sure. I forget.
With cheese sauce and spicy jalapenos. Then in 8,400
Okay, so okay, so I'm 2 years off then. I'm 2 years off then.
jalapenos and onions. Or head straight to your neighborhood wiener schnitzel for chili cheese fries from around the world.
Let's see, just some official study institute. Okay, what did he do though? Let me see. Pew Institute. Gen X. Flower Child? So Gen X is before 1980. Okay, cool. Let me see Pew Research. I'm kind of curious. What is that? What is Pew Research? See, Pew Research Center is a nonpartisan fact tank that informs the public about the issues, attitudes, and trends shaping the world. Okay, that's interesting. There is no planet R. What is this thing here? I see. Never heard of it, but very interesting to see though, that's for sure. Mary's a boomer. Flower Child? Wait, Gen X means Flower Child? Wait, what does Flower Child mean anyways? Is that like hippie stuff or something? Not too sure, not too sure. Oh, okay. Very cool. Tony Cook, what's up, bro? How you doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Zoomers in here. Wait, Zoomers or boomers? Was that a typo, Wendy? Or do you mean actual Zoomers, like the video conferencing thing? Flower Child is a kid of the 60s. Oh, gotcha. Well, clearly I was not a flower child, so I had no idea what that meant. Generation Z is also called Zoomers. Oh, okay. Not sure what Generation Z is either, so. Energy Web Foundation. Okay. Supposedly, Elon Musk is behind Energy Web Foundation. Quite possible. Quite possible. Can we see higher than 38 cents? Let me see. Let me see from a chart perspective here. Well, currently on the 1 minute here, we're seeing a downtrend, so. But in my opinion, in the days to come, Dogecoin will rise and go even higher because of this news here. When I did a back test of Bitcoin, when they were listed on December of 19, I believe, December 19th, 20 something, right? So from December 1st to December 19th, we saw a 150% run up there in 19 days, in a 19-day span here. So similarly speaking here, we can see Dogecoin rise in 19 days up to possibly around 66 cents. Of course, that is using Bitcoin as a back test and using Coinbase listing, information on Bitcoin and kind of applying it to Dogecoin. So it may or may not happen, but it will definitely give you a better perspective of what could potentially happen. Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I saw Elon Musk tweet where the miners were being used to heat up like water for a tub. That's kind of funny. Oh yeah. Alton says, can't wait until Coinbase starts accepting those inbound transfers for Doge on Thursday. Yeah, man. That could definitely happen. But if that happens, I don't think much will happen for Dogecoin, right? It'll just be moving from here to here. It's not gonna do, I don't think there will be a price appreciation from that. Hey, Victoria Armstrong, she's back. What's up, Victoria? How you doing? I haven't seen Mike in some days here. I guess Mike ran away. I don't know. I guess he got mad or upset that I was trying to set him up, even though he kind of asked for himself. So it was fun though. I do feel kind of bad though for kind of putting him on the spot, but oh well. the man asked for it, right? So I did what the man wanted. So I mean, you know what I mean? It's not like I forced him, right? He kind of said himself, so I just happily obliged. Well, oh snap. You guys are funny. Mike broke the golden rule of never standing up a woman. That's funny. Oh yeah, by the way, Mike, you're always welcome to come back, bro. You're always welcome to come back. Victoria, my day was fantastic. How was yours? We saw Dogecoin rise. We saw good Dogecoin news. AMC's doing well. My God. My God, I couldn't ask for more. Well, I could actually. Maybe if I win the lotto, that'd be fantastic. Mr. Virus. John, I don't see you expecting anyone. What's going on? Mr. Virus, are you volunteering? Are you volunteering? Let me know. I can definitely oblige if you're volunteering. Let's see here. Okay, Tony Cook. All right, Tony Cook, you're asking options trade. What is a strike price? Well, the strike price, okay, Tony Cook, the strike price means that you can exercise that option, as in you can buy or sell that option. If you want to buy it, it means you buy shares of stock. Usually one option is like 100 shares or something right here, right? So opposite is the same thing for a call. One share is like 100 borrowed shares. So you can either, so you can buy it back or you can sell it back. It's up to you depending on what you buy. So that's what a strike means, okay? All right, it means you can exercise a trade. Let's see here. Charles Kennedy, John, been a while. We are still holding. I think Coinbase is great and it will help move more companies and institutions to buy. Hashtag domino effect. Hashtag Doge to the moon. Yeah, true. True. We are seeing it happen right now. People are buying it right now. So I suspect when it happens, it's going to be phenomenal. That sucks. My friend is waiting on Binance as well. They verified me almost immediately, so I just don't get their issue. Ugh. I think for me, Binance will be 2 or 3 months now. Holy cow. But that's okay. I already gave up on them already, so they will definitely never be getting my business. Let's see here. Oh. Hunter D's, yo John, I wish, I'm sorry, I have a buddy who's preaching about TTD and a 10-to-1 share split coming up. It is something to look into. Well, it doesn't matter, right? Share split or not, your price will be the same price, right? If you invested 1,000 into that company, into TTD here, right? Even after a share split, your value will still be $1,000. It doesn't matter. People just do that for appearances because, believe it or not, most folks in America cannot do math. They think that if they buy a stock where they see more dollars move up, they think they make more money. But the truth is, the true indicator of making money in the stock market is percentages, not how many dollars you made in the same day. Okay? So for example, some folks in here are saying GME makes more money than AMC, and that is completely false because the percentage gain, right, in AMC is higher than GME. So if you bought AMC today, your price appreciation would be more than GME, even if GME made more dollars. For example, if GME went from $100 to $110 here, right, and then AMC went from say $10 to $11, right? For example, obviously these aren't real numbers here, but if that happens right here, right? This means that we saw a 10% movement on AMC, right? And then for GME, what did I say again? I think $100, and then like $5 or something. So you're seeing a 5% increase right there. So you know, that was just a quick example. Nice. Dogecoin is bouncing, baby. Yes, sir. We are continuing to move up here. It looks fantastic. I love it. By the way, if you're new here, please make sure you hit that. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Okay. If you're new, hit that subscribe button so when I go live, you get these charts, baby. Everyone thinks AMC is going to 100K a share. I don't know about that one, man. I think that's a far-fetched. I would never dare say that one. Could it happen? Sure, it could happen, but likely, I don't think so. I will definitely be careful listening to some of the pumpers here on YouTube, right? As you know, there are tons of Dogecoin pumpers, there are tons of GME pumpers, and tons of AMC pumpers. Watch out to who you listen to on YouTube, because these pumpers are here to get your views and your subscribes and your likes. All right, so just be careful. Ooh. Oh, wait, Wendy, I had a question. Since you said you're from New York here, right? How is New York? Oh, I'm sorry. How is New York looking nowadays after the whole opening everything? Is it more vibrant or is it still kind of like, you know, closed up? Kind of curious.
Lower than low on food that's fresher than fresh? Then shop at Ralph's.
I haven't been to New York probably 3 or 4 years, but beautiful city. Definitely want to go there again.
Weekly sales, giving you prices that are lower than the everyday low. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
Get more ways to save with the buy 5 or more, save $1 each sale. Just buy
Really? In New York, everyone's out? Okay, very cool.
Ralph's.
Nice.
For everyone.
Nice. Is it more vibrant though, or is it kind of like this kind of so sketchy? Or I mean, I'm just curious. More open, opening back up. It's cool. Nice. Okay. Nice. Very cool. Yeah, I remember hearing for you know, a while ago, people were saying, you know what, New York is dead. It's never coming back. Blah blah blah. I'm like, really? I don't know, man. I don't know. New York, not what it used to be. Homeless people all over assaulting others. Really? But doesn't New York have like the most expensive real estate in the world though? Like the rent is super expensive. Crime wave, really? Is a crime wave in New York? Okay. But we're in New York though. I'm talking about New York City. New York City, like Lower Manhattan, you know. I'm not saying like maybe Chelsea's Market. Man, I like Chelsea's Market in New York City. Very fun place to go. Everyone leaving to Florida. Really? Florida? Why do you want to go to Florida? I mean, oh, I don't know. I never been to Florida, but I hear it's very muggy there. I don't think I could live there. I mean, I guess. I mean, Florida is so muggy. It's like a swamp. Well, I think it's a swamp here, right? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't think you could pay me to live in Florida, so. But I guess it's for some folks, you know. Yeah. I was in New York for me a week or two. A lot of fun. I love that city. So much fun, you know. Oh yeah, there's crime everywhere for sure. For sure. What's Clearwater? Is Clearwater in New York or Florida or like what are you talking about? Let's see, North Philly? Oh no. Forget Philly, man. I would never go there, that's for sure. Let's see here. Oh, Florida. Okay, gotcha. Let's see. You pay so much in New York to live in a shoebox. By the way, how much is rent in New York anyways? Like say for say for example, New York, a one bedroom apartment, how much is it gonna run you? Like $1,500, $2,000, you know? Just kind of curious. In a middle area, maybe somewhere in Manhattan, I don't know, or Chelsea's Market. I'm not saying, you know, like $2K. Okay, that's not bad. That's like pretty normal everywhere you go nowadays. Okay. That's not bad. 2K is not bad. Oh yeah? No state income tax. $2K in the hood. Probably, right? Probably. Billy is nice. I'm sure it is. Sure it is, but I don't want to go there though. Doesn't really appeal to me. Well, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I had a ton of fun here, so make sure you guys smash the like button, and of course, I will be doing a live stream tomorrow morning about AMC and GB market open, so please join me for that. It'll be lots of fun. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and more importantly, make sure you hit that notification bell. All right, I will catch you guys all on the next one, and most importantly,